Hello everyone, uh, my name is Miika and this is my brand new YouTube channel. This channel will be motorcycle related, like bike builds, modifications, motor camping, traveling, TET riding, everything related to motorcycling. But yeah, let's look my bike, which I'm going to be start modifying and trying to make that more suitable for me for the dead riding. Yeah, let's look the bike. So here's my bike, KTM 690 Enduro, and I will do some modifications. And the first one will be knob tower. I already have it, it's right at garage. But the reason why I want a knob tower is that I want wind protection. I also want that the windscreen is not mounted to the steering, it's mounted to the frame. It stabilizes the bike a lot. And I want also add some navigation devices. And I also got better lights. Those are the reasons. Then I will modify the seat. I will add a gel insert, and I have done that once, and it was a really good seat. So I at least try it. If I fail, then I will buy power parts or seat concept or what's available. Then I will install aftermarket silencer, because the original one is running really hot, and there's a risk that it burns your luggage. And I also get some weight savings, 2 or 3 kilos. It's quite a lot because the weight is here quite high. I will also add some smaller parts, like some cooling stuff from Nice CNC. I will add wider pegs. Then I will cut the license plate holder. So those are the first mods I will do. I maybe do some small later on, but I don't know yet what I'm going to change. So let's open that package from Rare Garage. This may be a most expensive mod which I'm going to. Yeah. Okay, screen. I'm not going to open it yet because I don't want to scratch it. Then some side panels. Filters. Two of them. Storage box. Filter case. screen protector for the lights, filter, stuff for the tank, heat side, some tubes, and the tank. Some small parts. Okay, the lights, LED headlights. I'm not going to open it yet. Cover for the tank and the key. There are the installation guide and the actual tower. This I want to open now because I want to see. I have never seen this before on any bike, so it's interesting. It's carbon made and it looks very high quality part. It doesn't weigh almost anything. Yeah, really interesting installation coming. So, yeah, this back. There's also oil filter cover. It's useful when you are riding in dust because it's so easy to change during the trip. Let's also open one of these side panels. Okay, stickers already installed. Yeah, then we open the next box and see what is there. Or actually I have plenty of these small boxes. But let's open this one first. Quad lock. My plan for the navigation is that I'm going to use a Garmin and phone with DMD. just mount for the raid garage tower. I can put my phone there. Then some package from China. And these are amps mount to the tower bar, where I can put both Garmin and the phone. Okay, that's it, and stay on the channel. On the next episode I will start the installation the tower. Thanks for watching. Bye.